Welcome. Today I am with ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro and I will show you how you can adjust notification panel shortcuts. So at the first, of course, we have to open the notification panel, and next, to edit it, we have to click right here. Next, if you want to change position of any icon, for example, we are going to put the do not disturb mode between calculator and screenshot. So we have to click, hold and then drag, just like that. You can also remove icons, like for example you are not using the one-handed mode, so we want to get rid of that. Click, hold and drag below. We can make the same with this multi-window icon. Honestly, I don't need it. I don't need that icon here. The same for the do not disturb mode. Calculator, because I have this icon on the home screen. And I'm not also using the airplane mode. And I think that's all. So right now, if you want to save, you have to click back on this arrow, and that's it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.